Alright, so today we're going to try the custom settings where you can modify these 9 basic settings. We're going to do a whole wheat multigrain bread using the 1.25 kilo, and these are the normal settings that it normally has for whole wheat. So you'll have these lead times. I find the crust a little bit too even on the light setting, a little bit too hard. So I'm going to try and lower the bake temperature by about 5 degrees and see how we go with that. So we want to do whole wheat, light, and 1.2. Modify. Okay, now the preheat. Let's just keep pressing it through until not changing any of these. I'm just going to change the baking. Okay, bake for 50 minutes at 140. So I'll bake it at 135. See if that makes any difference to the crust. Alright, that's been set. So we'll just close it down and let's go. Now it's heating. Alright, we're on the knead 1 cycle. Knead 2. Fluffy dough. It's taking shape quite nicely. Alright, we're finished. Oh, a little bit of a divot. I think there's a bit too much moisture in there.
Yeah, it's alright.
Yeah.
Mammy Jane.